Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today, inshallah, we will start with the sixth unit, which is about healthy food. This lesson is presented by Mr. Abdullah Shurab, and we will discuss the sixth grade English for Palestinian students book. And as I said, we will talk about Unit 6, Healthy Food. So please open your books, period 1, page 40. This is our topic. It's about food, what food is healthy and what food is not healthy. We can see that this is, what do we call this? This is the food pyramid, and we will talk about it, inshallah, in the lesson. So let's start. This is the first page, page 40. Today, inshallah, we are going to discuss the vocabs and we will listen and answer some questions about the topic. So, with the first activity, listen and repeat. Firstly, we are going to listen and follow, just follow, don't repeat. And we will listen again and then we will repeat after the question. So, please listen and follow.
Good advice. A little. Because. Bottom. Burger. Fizzy drink. Fried. Prefer. Food pyramid. Should. Soup. Sweet. Top.
Now let's listen and repeat. Listen and repeat after the record.
Good advice.
Good advice.
A little.
A little.
Because.
Because.
Bottom.
Bottom.
Burger.
Burger.
Fizzy drink.
Fizzy drink.
Fried.
Fried.
Prefer.
Prefer.
Food pyramid.
Food pyramid.
Should.
Should.
Soup.
Soup.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Top.
Top. I'm gonna just talk about should. We use should to give advice. This is a water, so we should drink lots of water. We should drink lots of water, okay? Do not misunderstand this picture. And let's move to talking about the pictures or the vocabs one by one. What do you think? Guidance or recommendations concerning wise future action given by someone. What is it? It's good advice. Very good. Good advice. Let's see the example. My dad said you should only eat fried food sometimes, not always. That's good advice. Okay? And by the way, we can't say advices, so it's uncountable. We see advice, or we say advice for singular or for plural. Advice. Let's move to the second word. Small in size, amount, or degree. What do you think? It's a little. Very good. A little. Small in size, amount, or degree. Let's take the example. You should eat a little cake. You should eat a little sweet. Okay? Very good. For the reason that. A word, a conjunction, means for the reason that. We use it to talk about the reason. Because. Excellent. Sorry. Because, let's put it in a sentence, the children shouldn't drink fizzy drinks because they are very sweet. So we use because to talk about the reason. of something. The next word, the lowest point of something. This is the food pyramid. And this is the lowest point. So this is the bottom of the food pyramid. In a sentence, it's bottom, bottom, okay? This is the bottom of the food pyramid. The bottom of the pyramid shows foods you should always eat. The bottom of the food pyramid shows foods you should always eat because they are very healthy. Flat round cake of beef that is fried or grilled and typically served in a bread roll. What do you think? Easy. Beef, bread, grilled or fried, bread roll. It's of course burger. It's burger. Okay? Is it healthy or not healthy? What do you think? We shouldn't buy burgers because they are not healthy. Of course, they are not healthy. Don't eat a lot of burgers. Okay? Drink that containing bubbles of gas. What do you think? Drink containing bubbles of gas. Fizzy drink. Very good. Fizzy drink. We call these fizzy drinks. Amy prefers fizzy drinks and burgers for a picnic. No, I don't think so. She doesn't prefer fizzy drinks and burgers for the picnic because they are not healthy. Food cooked in hot oil. What do you think? Food cooked in hot oil. Fried food. Very good. Fried food. It's also unhealthy food. Fried food makes you fat. Okay, so it's unhealthy because they make you fat. Like one thing or person better than another or others. Tend to choose. What do you think? To choose between two things. You like something more than the other one. Uh, he's thinking, should he eat burgers? Sorry, burgers and fried or vegetables and fruit? Should he choose the healthy or the not healthy food? I think he should eat the healthy food. Let's see the example. Prefer. Sorry, the definition is prefer. This is the word. The definition to like something more or better than another thing. Okay? To prefer. We use the word prefer. Rania prefers fruit because it's healthier than ice cream. This boy prefers fruit because it's healthier than ice cream and burgers, for example. It shows you that food you should eat. It shows you the food you should eat and also the food that you should eat a little of. It's the food pyramid. The food pyramid. And this lesson is talking about the food pyramid. This is the most important word in this lesson. The food pyramid, which contains lots of types of food that we should eat a lot of or a little. We should eat them always or sometimes. Okay? Let's see the example. The food pyramid shows you food that is healthy and food that is not healthy. We call it the food pyramid. We call this shape the food pyramid. Okay? Let's go to the next word. Use to give or ask advice or suggestion. So a word that we use it to give or ask advice or suggestion. Should. Very good. Should. We always start our advice with you should. Should. Okay? You should eat lots of fried food. Really? You should eat lots of fried food. Sorry. Is this example correct? You should eat lots of fried food? No, you shouldn't eat lots of fried food. So should means you have to do it, and shouldn't, when the food is not healthy, we use shouldn't. Okay? Shouldn't eat lots of fried food. So the opposite of should is shouldn't. Let's move to the next one. Liquid dish made by boiling meat, fish, or vegetables in water. What do you think? Oh, looks tasty. Soup, soup, soup. I like vegetable soup because it's very healthy. Okay, very good. Let's see this one. Having the pleasant taste of sugar or honey, not salt, sour, or bitter. What do you think? Sweet, very good. Sweet. Like candies, like ice cream, like chocolate, whatever. We shouldn't eat lots of these type of food because they are not healthy. Okay, shouldn't eat lots of sugar. Let's see the example. You should eat a little ice cream, not a lot, because it's very sweet. The highest point of something. What do you think? We talked about the lowest point. So the opposite is the highest point. This is the bottom, and this is the top. Very good. So top and bottom. Top and bottom. The bottom of the food pyramid contains the healthy food. The top of the food pyramid contains the unhealthy food like chocolate, oil, and nuts, whatever. We should eat a little, we should eat lots, we should sometimes eat from this food. We should always eat from the bottom of the food pyramid, like pasta, bread, and so on. Sorry. The top of the food pyramid shows foods you should only eat sometimes. Okay, sometimes, always. A little, lots, should, shouldn't. Very good. And let's move to the second activity, listen and answer the questions. We are gonna listen and after that answer some questions about the topic. So follow, please hold your pencil and follow the recording.
Amy, we call this a food pyramid. It shows you the food you should eat.
Should I eat ice cream?
Yes, but only a little because it's very sweet. Vegetable soup is good for you.
The top of the pyramid shows foods you should only eat sometimes. The bottom of the pyramid shows foods you should always eat.
Should I eat rice and meat?
Yes, you should. Rice and meat are good for you because they make you strong.
Mr. Ali's class are talking about food. They can eat all the food, but they should only eat a little of some foods. That is good advice.
You shouldn't eat lots of fried food.
Why shouldn't we eat lots of fried food?
Let me think. Because fried food makes you fat. It's not healthy. Mum thinks Rania and Omar should eat lots of fruit and vegetables because they are healthy.
Let's go on a picnic. I prefer healthy food. We should take some bread, vegetables, fruit, and a little meat.
We should take lots of water to drink because it's good for us. We shouldn't buy fizzy drinks or burgers.
The children should not drink fizzy drinks because they are very sweet.
So now let's listen and answer. Try not look back to your book. Just listen and try to answer orally from what you hear.
1. What does a food pyramid show?
What does the food pyramid show? It shows you the food you should eat. Very good. 2.
2. Why should you only eat a little ice cream?
Why you should only eat a little ice cream? Because it's very sweet. Excellent. 3.
3. Why should you eat lots of vegetables?
What do you think about vegetables? Why we can eat or we should eat lots of vegetables and fruit? Because they are healthy. Very good.
4. Why shouldn't you eat lots of fried food?
Because fried food makes you fat.
5. Why shouldn't you drink lots of fizzy drinks?
Why shouldn't you drink lots of fizzy drinks? Because they are very sweet and they are not healthy. Okay? This is the topic, and we asked you some questions about the topic. You have to underline the answers and the main words. You can highlight them with the highlighter, the words that we just discussed. And let's move to the next activity. The last thing we will talk about everyday English, these expressions that we use in everyday conversations. We have 2 expressions. Let me think. What do you think? When do we use the word let me think? We use it when someone asks us a question and we have or we need some time to answer them, okay? Just seconds. Let me think. What is the benefit of something? Let me think about blah blah blah. So we use this expression when we want some time to answer the question that someone asked us. It's not healthy. So when we see unhealthy food or not healthy food, we say that it's not healthy. You shouldn't eat sweet, fried, burger. You shouldn't buy and drink fizzy drinks. Why? You shouldn't eat and buy these type of food and drinks because they are not healthy. It's not healthy. Okay? Thanks for watching, and this is Mr. Abdullah Sharab, and these are my lovely students. See you inshallah next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.